All right, guys, welcome back for the second video lesson. This is just going to be a supplemental activity to go along with the notes that we just practiced on Tuesday. I know some of you guys might have been confused, but don't overthink this. This is really just we're just really talking about a basic way to write ratios. And the three ways that we can write ratios are as a fraction. So whatever the numbers are that you're looking at, you're just going to write the numbers as a fraction. So we could say, okay, I've got 2/3. If we're comparing apples and bananas, we could say I've got 2 apples compared to 3 bananas, okay? Or a second way that we can write a ratio is using words, and that is the word 2 that we can use. And again, if I'm comparing 2 apples to 3 bananas, I could say my ratio is 2 to 3, using that word 2. And then the third way that I can write a ratio is using a colon. So a colon is just the 2 dots. And again, 2 apples to 3 bananas, I could say 2 colon 3. So those are the 3 ways that we can write a fraction or a ratio. Sorry. So now I've got 5 examples down here. I'll do the first one for you so that you know what I'm looking for. And then I want you guys to go ahead and finish up questions 2, 3, 4, and 5. Answer them, writing the ratio 3 different ways on the side there, and then I want you to submit it back into Canvas, okay? So number 1 says books to pens. So however many number books there are, that's the number that's going to come first in my ratio. So if I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books, and I want this first line tells me to write it in words, I'm going to have 6 books compared to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pens. So my ratio would be 6 to 5. That's how I would write that ratio. Okay, and then this ratio here, what it wants you to do is use the colon, okay, the 2 different dots that we know. And so I'm just going to write 6 to 5 using the colon, dot, dot, 5, and then as a fraction, 6 would go on top and 5 would go on the bottom. Okay, so real short video for you, and then a little quick assignment. Finish questions 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then submit it back to Canvas. It'll be 4.1 Intro to Ratio Practice is what you're looking for in Canvas to submit to. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Stay safe, stay well, stay healthy. Talk to you guys later. Bye.